So guys, this is my home. Let's do this. Yes, this is my room. And my cell phone about there. Galaxy Y and Samsung. And my PSP and my DS. And the case. And yeah, the case. My electric fan. And my PSP bags. And other collection of my SpongeBob and Naruto, and my box of my cell phone and tablet, and Galaxy Y, Samsung Galaxy Tab, Wii, and my DVD player, and my headset. I love my headset, and my calendar, and my earphone, and tissue, and Netflix. Yes, and my room, and my laptop over there. Yes, and my cup, and my Wii box. Yes, about there, Wii box, and my clock, my UMD. Yeah, my sunglasses. Yeah, my ear, and my PSP earphone about there, and charger of my Galaxy Y, and USB connector on the Galaxy Y, and Call of Duty 2, PC, Crossfire, PC CD-ROM, Warcraft, Call of Duty, Black Hawk Down, NBA Level 6, Grand Chase. Yes, and my clothes, and my wardrobe cabinet. Oh yes, this is my cap, old school, bench league, Wizards, Mickey, and my clothes. Yeah, it's my clothes. It's very not appropriate in my clothes. Oh yes, and my bag over up there. Yes, and bowling there. I see you guys. This is my video. Thank you guys.